Well, it's the 31st of May 2017, and that is the 12:34 to London St Pancras, which has overshot the platform. Never seen that in my life. He was going through it quite fast, so he's had to brake pretty blooming quick. Don't know what happens here. I think he has to get permission. Of course, he'll have to get out and come in this end of the train and drive it back into the platform. That should hold everything up lovely, shouldn't it? And me and my lady here, we're going to Loughborough to see a crossrail working, hopefully. All the people wandering on the platform, look. Oh, here he is, he's been moved to the back. Well done, mate. Well done. Hey? He should have stopped at the station. He went straight through. We're getting a bulletin for that. We're in terrible trouble.
I remember very time.
There we are, all's well that ends well. Well, he certainly moved back up the front end of the train again, and he's away. He'll be about, I don't know, 8 to 10 minutes late now. We're sorry for the late arrival of this train. The driver went straight through the station without stopping. Oh dear, we all make mistakes. There's not a perfect person walking the earth.